When I talk about the lack of financial education, what I'm referring to is most people don't even know what interest rate they're receiving on their savings account. They don't know what their APR is on their credit cards, or how an APR, annual percentage rate, works, and how that affects their credit rating, and how that also affects how much they're paying on a monthly basis. Most people don't understand the term compound interest and how it can work for them as well as work against them. Most people might not realise, but compound interest is used to work against them more so than work for them. What is compound interest, you may ask? Compound interest is when you have an interest rate, and this is an example of how interest rates can work against you. So you have a credit card, the credit card is £500, you spent the £500, there's an interest rate that you pay 5%, you pay 5% on a monthly basis. So you only pay the minimum, and so what happens is the amount that is left over, 5% is added on that. So the 5%, you don't pay 5% on the whole amount, you pay 5% on the accumulated interest and the accumulated amount that you owe. And so because of that, the amount that you owe continues to grow, and then it becomes bigger than what you had first or initially thought it would be, unless of course you're paying more than the minimum amount. One of the key things about this society, or a society where fiat currency is the base economy, or is the economy that, or is the currency that is used within society, is that credit equals debt. So for the system to keep on working, one has to be in debt. So if you have too much knowledge or too much understanding to your benefit, that you're utilising to benefit yourself and your family, then you're not going to be, you won't be a pawn in the system, creating the debt, which empowers the system, which empowers the economic system for it to keep on moving in the way that it does. If there was no debt, there would be no, the economy would collapse. Your lack of financial understanding, your financial ignorance, allows other people to take advantage, and therefore you're giving your power away without you realising it.